What's good, y'all? It's your girl Rin, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, it's gonna be short and sweet, and I'm gonna just be showing y'all how to refresh your box twist and also how to install your box twist for those of you who like to maintain that super sleek look throughout your entire protective style. So for the span of the video, I'm just going to be washing my hair, giving it 2 washes and a condition. While you are washing your hair, you definitely want to make sure you're being as gentle as possible because you will have some slipping around the perimeters because that's the finer parts of your hair. You just want to kind of use your fingertips and not your nails. That way you're not making a lot of frizz and you're also being a little gentler with the wash. And then I'm going to show y'all how to do your box twist, so definitely stay tuned throughout the length of the video, and don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment and interact with me, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Three hours later.
So while I gave myself a wash, some of the twists began to slip, as you can see. Mainly just the ones in the front, like on the perimeter, because my hair is more fine around those areas. So I'm basically just going to be doing over the whole perimeters. So I'm going to show you how to take down your twist, how to refresh your twist, and how to do your twist. To take down your twist, you kind of want to start on the ends and twist the twist in the opposite direction and slide your finger through and just slip it down. And you just want to do that up the twist. But for my twist, it's a bit more complex. So as you make your way up, want to keep twisting until you see the hair start to separate a little bit, like right here. And now I can differentiate the difference between the braid and the twist. And I kind of just want to shimmy it out slowly. That way I'm not causing any tension or knotting. So the part is still nice and clean. So I'm literally just gonna finger detangle it. Look for the middle of the twist. So yeah, you start the braid in your 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. And once you get your actual natural hair secure, go ahead and add the weave like so, as if you're doing a knotless box braid, because that's what you're doing at first. And then you're gonna just go ahead and braid. So once you braid down and you feel like your hair is secure, you can go ahead and start your twist. So you go ahead and take your twist, add that 3rd piece to your twist, and you're going to twist the hair in the opposite direction that you're twisting. So I'm twisting my hair towards the camera, and then I'm twisting it 2 strands towards my face. You see what I mean? And then when you do that, it will come out nice and defined, like so. So yes, I'm just gonna do that all along the perimeter of my hands, and you'll get this type of look. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all one more time. It's twisting clockwise, so to make it looser, I'm going to twist counterclockwise, and you can slowly see the strands loosening and separating. So once you start to see that, take your finger and slide it in between, and go ahead and just separate that thing. Spread them. Spread them. That is what you're going to do all the way to the top. And then once you're at the top of the top, where you get to the braid, you're gonna just keep untwisting until you see the hair start to separate. You can see a little bit right here, but it's still very tight. Alright, so now that I can see where the hair is braided, I'm gonna just separate it slowly and very carefully, because it's so easy for the hair to get knotted and tangled up. And bam, it should come out just like that. My hair is like 95% dry. I'm gonna just put these products in. So first I'm using this cocoa butter for skin and hair. I'm going with this Styling Mousse by Cream of Nature. And then this has been my favorite oil lately because it's in this bottle, but it's really good too. Rosemary oil and dandelion. That is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.